Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this. Get ready.
I'm a king, but I'm far from a saint. They call me a bad man, that's a fucking good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swings, so I made my mama proud when they made the hits rain. Father, forgive me, I can't forgive them. You know my history, know what I did then, and what I do now, a whole lot worse. Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
Isn't just a cultural event, it is so much more, especially when you present a musical movie. It gives our children a global platform. It helps them build personality, gain confidence, work as a team, and gather experience that they'll cherish for the rest of their life. We all know marks are important, but in today's changing world, personality and skills matter just as much. With opportunities like this, at such a young age, our children will truly shine, and that is exactly defines Royal Oaks World School.